What's up, you guys? So today I am going over these cheap, easy to make flush mount LED blinkers that I built for my 2022 MT-10SP. The front also has a set of TST blinkers. I will throw a link to these down in the description. These are the switchbacks that go from flashers to blue, but I know they have many other options for their blinker setups. I also have the TST tail tidy that is actually for a 2021 model, but I have made it fit on this one, had to use some longer bolts, and then folded it backwards. So toll roads are no longer tolls for me. Go ahead and look under the seat at what we have going on under here. And I think all in all, for these blinkers that I've made for the back, granted I'm going to change them and be doing a detailed video on install, I think I am $30 in on this whole blinker setup. As you can see right in here, I have very bright LEDs that are amber. I got these off of Amazon. I mounted them opposite of what they wanted to be mounted, but I used 3M adhesive strips on the backside so that they're stuck in really good. Took the wiring from the LED strips themselves and ran it and spliced it into the existing wiring harnesses for the blinkers. They both work perfectly. They don't fast blink, they don't have any issues as far as LEDs not working properly or not bright enough. All that I really had to do to make this setup work the way that I wanted and didn't have blinkers sitting out. I know on my MT-09 I had the blinkers that hit an existing hole that was already in the subframe. I believe it was for luggage cases or side cases. But the MT-10 does not have that, so I took this side panel off, which is a relatively cheap part. I wanted to see how it would look, what it would look like, and how it would function, if it would still be visible. And I mean, it came out amazingly. So right now I'm waiting on a fresh set of LEDs, a much brighter version of LEDs, to put in place of these cheaper strips. And that's about all for, you know, a very simple, very clean. When the blinkers aren't on, you can't hardly tell that they're back here. You got any questions about this or any of the other mods that I have on this bike, please drop it down in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. If you have any other video ideas, drop that down in the comments as well. And if you're not following me on TikTok or Instagram, I'll throw those links right about here. And thanks for watching, guys.